always look out for you. That's what I'll do.
We met 7 years ago, now together for 4. In the time we've been together, I've learned so much about you and about myself. You've impacted my life in such a positive way. I can't wait to create new memories with you. Weddings are not just about the food, the drinks, the cake, all the minor details that the guests might not even notice. It's not about who and how many people are going to be there. This day is about our love for each other and how we promise to always care for one another. I promise to always care for you, to support you when you need it, to be by your side throughout all the good and the bad. You are the best part of my days and bring me up on my worst days. Robert, Robbie, honey, you've always been there for me and in ways I didn't know I needed. You are my person, and I can never ask for anyone to be more caring, gentle, understanding, fun, and sweet to me and my family. I can't wait to start a family with you and to create more memories and to build this new life with you.
So sparks, yeah, so sparks, singing out loud.
Nancy, I love you unequivocally, undeniably. Like most couples, we argue about trivial things, like who's gonna do the dishes, or who's gonna fold the laundry, or where the remote is, even when it's usually right next to us on the nightstand. I'll try my best to pretend that I'm not salivating at every bite of homemade fried rice or bowl of pho that your family makes. I'll try my best not to spend hours talking to your dad about business or hugging your parents 3 times before we leave places, or laughing at your dad's jokes. But I can't make those promises. The promises I can make to you are, I promise to love you on your worst days, days when you're hangry, days when you're screaming my name. I promise to love you when you haven't washed your hair for 3 days because somehow that makes your hair healthier. Who would have thought? I promise to pay attention to you before and after football games. I promise to love you even when you put on Hannah Montana or Hillary Duff at our favorite karaoke spot instead of Taking Back Sunday. I promise to love you through sickness and health, and yes, even when you turn into a zombie. I promise to love your family like they're my own flesh and blood. And Nancy, I look forward to all the little kiddos we're gonna have, and most importantly, I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
Can't write one song that's not about you. Can't drink without thinking about you. Is it too late to tell you that everything means nothing if I can't have you? I'm in Toronto and I got this view, but I might as well be in a hotel room. Yeah, it doesn't matter cause I'm so consumed, spending all my nights reading texts from you. Oh, I'm good at keeping my distance. I know that you're the feeling I'm missing. You know that I hate to admit it, but everything means nothing if I can't have you. I can't write one song that's not about you. forget you, but I hold on. Everything means nothing, everything means nothing, babe. I'm trying to move on, forget you, but I hold on. Everything means nothing if I can't have you. I can't write one song that's not about you. Can't drink without thinking about you. Is it too late to tell you that everything means nothing if I can't have you? I can't write one song that's not about you. Can't drink without thinking about you. Is it too late to tell you that everything means nothing if I can't have you? That's not about you. Can't drink without thinking about you. Is it too late to tell you that everything means nothing if I can't have you?